Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button to ensure you see all of our future vehicles as soon as they arrive on our lot. The unit we're going to showcase to you right now is a 2020 Ram 1500. This vehicle is a crew cab, so you're going to have plenty of room for all your passengers. On the front, you can see it does have a painted front bumper along with a painted front grille. That is involved with the sport appearance package that this truck does have. One nice feature that also comes with this is the 20-inch factory Ram wheel wrapped in a really nice Bridgestone tire. This vehicle is a V8, so it's going to have plenty of power, plenty of torque to pull whatever it is that you're looking to pull. Also, with that sport appearance package, you do get a painted rear bumper. Also on the back, you're going to notice you have your dual exhaust, and you're also going to have your trailer hitch. And with your hitch, you're going to have a 4-pin and a 7-pin wiring hookup, and both of these are standard from the factory. Also in the back, right on the tailgate, you're going to have your backup camera just to ensure that you have no problem backing into them tight spots. And like I said, this is a Ram 1500, so it does have with the V8 in it. In the inside of this vehicle, you're going to see plenty of standard options along with upgrade options that we have added from the factory. This vehicle does the Bighorn. It does have the level 1 group on it, which gives it a lot of special amenities when it comes to the inside. This vehicle comes with power mirrors, power windows, and power locks, automatic headlights, power braking pedals, and that is a part of that equipment 1 group. On the inside of the vehicle, on the left hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have a section of push buttons right here along with the center button that says OK. What them buttons are going to do is operate your cluster in between your RPMs and your miles per hour gauge. In this cluster, you can look at numerous things from your tire pressure sensors, your miles per gallon, your trip, and even your how fast you are going, so your miles per hour. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel too, you're also going to have the buttons to operate your cell phone, so you can pair your cell phone with this vehicle and answer it through the speaker system. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to have your cruise control, and on the back right-hand side, you're going to have your volume for your radio. This vehicle is a push-button start, so the key can stay in your pocket at all times. You can lock, unlock, and start and stop your vehicle without the key fob into the dash. This is a turn knob, so once you put it in reverse, you do have a backup camera. Auto 4-wheel drive, there's also lock 4-wheel drive and 4-low. Real nice 8.4 touchscreen radio, which comes with that level 1 group also. In this radio, you're going to have your AM, your FM, and your XM radio. Also with plenty of other current apps that can be utilized throughout the radio. You do also have a compass. Right under your radio, you're going to have your knobs to operate your volume, and you can also change your channel with this one over here. Under that, you're going to see you have all your controls to control your AC and heat. Under that, you're going to have your factory trailer brake control, which is another great feature from the manufacturer. Under that, you do have some USB hookups with a very large storage compartment in between the front driver and passenger seat, with multiple storage compartments, one down low, one up high along with your cup holders, a small one up top, and then another large one underneath that. This vehicle does come equipped with universal garage door openers, which is another really nice feature. You can program up to 3 different garage door openers into that unit up there. Storage compartment in front of the passenger seating along with your glove box right under it. This vehicle does have a power seat. That is an 8-way power seat on the driver along with a 4-way lumbar. Very spacious rear back seat. Since this is a crew cab, you do get extra room in the back, which is nice for your rear passengers. These seats can also be flipped up for plenty of storage room when hauling them items that you need to keep out of the elements. This particular truck does come with, on both the driver and the passenger side rear seats, hooks for your car seat that are standard from the manufacturer. Power rear window with defrost. And like I said, this is a Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, 20-inch wheels, touchscreen radio, a lot of really nice features when it comes to this truck. This truck is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe, that like button, and post a comment down below of your feelings about this truck. Also, if you'd like to see any more still pictures of this or a full description of everything that is on this truck or anything else in our inventory, please visit sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And for the best deal, always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.